It's your day in tech history, and it's brought to you by our friends over at DJI. Get yourself your own drone by going over to geekazine.com/DJI. Jeffrey Powers here. I welcome you to the Day in Tech History, a full rundown of technology history 7 days a week. Subscribe to the show via iTunes, Stitcher, or download right from dayintechhistory.com. Now let's find out what happened on this day, your day in tech history. June 26th. And it's a very special day as we move from the Julian calendar, which was created by Julius Caesar, to the Gregorian calendar by Pope Gregory III. Today's Julian date was, or is, 2455373.50000. 1970, the FCC announces that it will start regulating cable TV, mostly for major networks that own too many cable channels. 1974, the first barcode, Universal Product Code, was scanned. It was on a pack of Wrigley's chewing gum. The scanner was developed by IBM. 1994, Microsoft announced that it would no longer sell or support the MS-DOS operating system. Programmer Jim Hall instantly proposes the development of an open-source version of DOS, which would ultimately become FreeDOS. 1997, Ericsson, Motorola, Nokia, and Unwired Planet enter into a partnership to create a common wireless application protocol, or WAP. The first version of WAP specifications would be published on April 30th of 1998. And now this word from our friends over at DJI Technologies. The Phantom 3 has been released just in time for all your springtime flying. In both professional and in advanced models, the Phantom is one of the most popular drones out there. And it can make you feel like a kid again, just like when you got your first RC car years ago. With video up to 4K, you can have fun taking overhead shots, aerial footage in parks or by the lake, or you can just fly over your house to see how many of your kids' toys ended up on the roof, or if your roof even survived the winter. I encourage you to go over to geekazine.com/DJI so you can get free shipping on that DJI Phantom, and it supports the Day in Tech History. Then go out to the park and have a ton of fun. Geeky fun with DJI. Now let's get back into your Day in Tech History. In 2000, Intel launched the 633, 667, and 700 MHz Celeron processors from $138 to $192. AMD unveiled the 550 and 533 MHz K6 2 Plus processor for notebook computers, $85 and $99. Also in 2000, Google and Yahoo announced a partnership under which Google would provide search results for Yahoo. And Yahoo launches corporate Yahoo. 2003, Apple Computer releases the updated Power Mac G4 computers. They feature a single or dual 1.25 GHz G4 processor, single 80 GB to dual 160 GB hard drives. And Microsoft releases Windows 2000 Service Pack 4. 2007, IBM unveiled the Blue Gene P supercomputer with a speed of 1 petaflop, but could be reached up to 3 petaflops. And it housed 294,000 low-power chips. Also in 2007, JEDEC finally unveils the official DDR3 standard. 2008, an application in Facebook created a peephole in which people could see anyone's personal information. Facebook suspended the app instantly. Also in 2008, Microsoft acquired Mobicomp, an Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, or ICANN, approves the unrestricted GTLD program. Basically, companies could register top-level domains not in the general category. For example, IBM could purchase .IBM. Application process would cost about $185,000. And in 2009, Android SDK software development kit 1.5 is released. HP brings back some of their most famous calculators. On the iPhone, the app would emulate some of the calculators that were used throughout time. for only $14.99. And the judge in the Pirate Bay case was ruled as not biased after accusations were made on his high-profile case by the Swedish Copyright Association. And that's your Day in Tech History. My name is Jeffrey Powers, www.dayintechhistory.com. All the show notes are over at wikizine.com, Geekazine's wiki. And of course, you can like the Facebook page and follow Twitter at Day in Tech Hist. Until tomorrow, take care. Day in Tech History is copyright 2015, JMP Enterprise and Geekazine.com.